Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.